Imagine a world where food is no longer a limitation. Where every craving, every dietary need, can be satisfied with the touch of a button. Welcome to the future of food, 3D printing. You've seen it in science fiction movies, but it's no longer fiction. 3D food printing is here, and it's about to revolutionize the way we eat. Today, we're diving deep into this incredible technology. We'll explore how it works, the challenges it's overcome, and the potential it holds to change the world. But first, let's understand why we even need to print food. Our planet is facing a food crisis. Rising populations, climate change, and unequal distribution of resources are putting immense pressure on our food systems. This is where 3D food printing steps in. The vision is simple: to create a sustainable, efficient, and personalized food supply. The journey to edible 3D printing started with humble beginnings. Early attempts focused on creating simple shapes and textures. But the challenges were immense. Creating something that not only looked like food but tasted and felt like it was a monumental task. The biggest hurdle was material science. Finding ingredients that could be extruded through a printer without compromising taste or texture was like finding a needle in a haystack. Did you know that a staggering amount of food is wasted every year? 3D food printing could potentially reduce this waste by allowing precise control over food production. Turning the dream of 3D printed food into reality required a Herculean effort. Scientists faced a myriad of challenges, from the microscopic to the macroscopic. The heart of the 3D food printer is the nozzle. It needs to be precise enough to create intricate structures, yet durable enough to handle various food materials. Developing edible inks and pastes was another monumental task. These materials had to possess the right consistency, flavor, and nutritional value. Replicating the texture and mouthfeel of real food was a complex puzzle. From the crispness of a potato chip to the tenderness of a steak, every nuance had to be mastered. We've come a long way, but there's still room for improvement. What do you think the future of food printing holds? Share your ideas in the comments below. Ensuring the nutritional value of 3D printed food is paramount. We need to guarantee that these creations are not just delicious but also healthy. Cost is another factor. While the technology is advancing rapidly, the price of 3D printed food is still relatively high for widespread adoption. Despite the challenges, the potential of 3D food printing is undeniable. Let's explore how this technology can shape our future. If you're learning something new in this video, give it a like to encourage us for making more videos like this. Imagine a world where food is completely personalized. No more generic meals. With 3D food printing, we can tailor every bite to individual preferences, dietary needs, and even medical conditions. From allergen-free treats to high-protein snacks, the possibilities are endless. It's like having a personal chef at your fingertips. Sustainability is at the core of 3D food printing. By reducing food waste, optimizing resource usage, and exploring alternative protein sources, we can create a more sustainable food system. Imagine astronauts enjoying fresh, nutritious meals on long space missions. 3D food printing could be the key to feeding our explorers of the cosmos. Let's witness the magic firsthand. Watch as the printer meticulously constructs this culinary masterpiece. Layer upon layer, it brings our digital design to life. The printing time can vary depending on the complexity of the dish. A simple structure might take a few minutes, while a more intricate design could require several hours. The taste, the texture, the presentation, it's a culinary masterpiece. While the future looks bright, it's essential to consider the ethical implications. How will 3D food printing impact the agricultural industry? Will it widen the gap between the rich and the poor? These are questions we must address. 3D food printing is more than just a technological marvel. It's a potential solution to global challenges. By embracing innovation and addressing ethical concerns, we can create a food future that nourishes both our bodies and our planet. The journey into the world of 3D food printing has just begun. There's so much more to discover and explore. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into the science behind 3D food printing. Thank you for watching.